Okay, Nissan just pulled a move that's leaving everyone in the automotive world buzzing. They've decided to stop importing their Ariya EV to America. Yep, you heard that right. But why would they make such a bold choice? Well, stick around because, by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why this shift could mean big changes for electric vehicles in the US. And wait until you hear what Nissan's planning for 2026. Just announced, Nissan's halting the import of their 2026 Ariya EV to the US market. Instead, they're shifting their focus to the all-new 2026 Leaf. Now, this might seem like a surprising move, but here's the scoop. With tariffs on Japanese imports hitting 15% and the federal EV tax credit disappearing, the Ariya's sales were slower than Nissan hoped. But here's where things get really interesting. The new Leaf is set to have the lowest starting price of any new EV in America. That's a big deal. Now, let's put this in context. Nissan isn't stopping the Ariya's production globally. They're still building and selling it in other markets, and they'll continue supporting existing Ariya owners in the US. But the Leaf, well, it's a name that resonates. It was one of the first EVs to really catch on in America, and even though it's also made in Japan, it's got the recognition and reputation that the Ariya just can't match right now. Plus, it's a better bet against those tariff and tax credit challenges. Now, here's the part that's got everyone talking. This isn't just about the Ariya. Nissan's facing some serious challenges. There have been delays and cancellations of other EVs planned for their Mississippi plant. There's a battery supply issue limiting the new Leaf's allocation. And let's not forget the corporate struggles that have led to talks of joining forces with Honda and Mitsubishi or even a buyout by Foxconn. They've even closed several plants and seen major resignations within their ranks. So, what does this mean for the future of automotive? Well, it's a clear signal that the EV landscape is shifting, and companies are making tough decisions to stay competitive. This move by Nissan shows just how critical pricing and market strategy are becoming in this EV race. Some might even say it's a wake-up call for other automakers to rethink their approaches. But here's the kicker: is Nissan's strategy a stroke of genius or a sign of trouble? Drop a comment telling me which specific detail impressed you most. And hit subscribe because next week I'm breaking down how this decision might just reshape the future of electric vehicles in America.